Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Sam back with another video, and today we're going to be unboxing my new cell phone, the Samsung Alias 2 from Verizon Wireless. Now, the story on this phone is that basically my old phone stopped working for like the 6th time. Called my insurance company. Because they don't carry my phone anymore, so they had to send me this phone. But this one's brand new instead of being refurbished, so I have hopes for this. And it's Samsung instead of LG. Every Samsung phone I've had worked perfectly. They also were nice enough to include this car charger. Let me show you on. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into this. So as you can see on the inside, there's the letters, the Alias 2. This phone is, it's the Samsung Alias 2 or the Samsung U750. Inside you have your user manuals, all the literature. I'm not going to open that because I don't need it. I already know how to work these phones. Customer information about radio frequency emissions and responsible driving. And instructions on Samsung. Now on the inside you have the phone itself. So here's the phone. You have your front, it's like a touch display. You pause and you play, you fast forward and rewind. You have a 2-megapixel camera. On the side you have your charging and accessory port. 2.5mm headset. Volume rocker. Power button. Sorry, that's not the power button, that is the, let's see. That is voice commands. On this side you have your power button, your lock, and your micro SD. No, it's very small. It feels the same size as my LG MV3. This phone is dual hinged, by the way, so it flips up and it flips to the side. And you see the keys, they didn't change, but it's all one keyboard and they change when the phone is on to fit your application or fit your, your mode. So let's up to the side and see what else we got in the box. So here's your battery. So you let's just pop the door off. So there you go. Let's power on this phone. So let me set that aside and see what else we have in the box. We have a charger. Just standard old Samsung charger. I'm not going to open this one because I already have one. But if you guys would like to see the Samsung charger, it is. Got Samsung's proprietary, port. There you go. Nothing special here. I just want to show you something quick. Let me see. I don't know how well you can see that. But you can see the fact that the buttons are in landscape. And when I shut it, and I open it, they change. Just watch that closely. And that's all part of Samsung's e-ink technology. So yeah, that's basically it. There's the unboxing of the Samsung U750 or the Alias 2. Rate, comment, subscribe. Peace out.